This is the low temperature outlet. This is the low temperature return inlet. It is used for cooling the laser. Here are the normal temperature return and normal temperature outlet. It is used for cooling the laser cutting head. This is the machine interface board. This is the low temperature outlet. This is the low temperature inlet. The chiller's low temperature outlet connects to the interface board's low temperature inlet. The chiller's low temperature return connects to the interface board's low temperature outlet. High pressure connects to high pressure air. O connects to oxygen. This is the high temperature outlet and high temperature inlet on the interface board. The chiller's normal temperature return connects to the interface board's high temperature inlet. The chiller's normal temperature outlet connects to the interface board's high temperature outlet. The laser has a water inlet here. A water outlet. The laser water inlet needs to be connected to the low temperature water inlet of the interface board. The laser water outlet needs to be connected to the low temperature water outlet of the interface board. This is a diagram showing the connection of the chiller, interface board, and laser water pipes. You can refer to this diagram for piping. Let's talk about the daily maintenance of the chiller. First, remove the chiller's filter screen. Use an air blower to blow away the dust. Reinstall the filter screen after it's clean. Do the same treatment for the filter screen on the other side. Don't rush to install this side after cleaning. Let's clean this cooling fan. Use the air blower to remove the dust from the cooling fan. Then install the side filter screen.